Alright, some time has passed. Bike has just been sitting here. It's been a couple weeks. Anyways, we're about to load up the bike so we can work at it at my buddy's house with an actual garage because we got to crack open the whole engine again. So I'm going to swing the bike around. We're going to get it loaded. Alright, she's loaded up. There she goes. So we'll get back to this when we start working on it. Yeah. Alright. Garage time. Say hi, Johnny. There's Johnny. We're at the garage again. We're going to pop open the covers for the rocker box. See if we can run it a little bit. See if we see anything on top that's messed up. But yeah, basically today's just diagnosis. Let's try and find out what's wrong. Alright, it's a little update. We fixed the sucking noise because apparently there was a leak in the breather bolt on the rear cylinder. Don't know how. I put spacers in there when I put the air cleaner on, and I don't remember why I did that or why I thought I needed to do that because I took them out and it goes on just fine. So that was probably just me being stupid. We ran it without the cover on there, but we can't hear the issue. We can't hear the noise. I checked the cover, nothing's hitting it, so I've pretty much got no idea what the knock is. So, we're taking the whole rocker box off so we can check the rods and just see if there's anything unusual. You can't see it anymore, but we took the rocker box off. Can't find the issue. Yeah. There you go. The lifters look good, the rods look good, but I guess you can't really tell if you have a bad lifter unless you replace them, and if your problem goes away, then I guess that was it. So we can't see what else it is, so I'm just going to buy a set of lifters since it's pretty easy to take out and replace. Might as well do it. So I'm going to buy a new set of lifters, drop those in, and we'll be back on another day. Alright, we're back. So couldn't get another set of lifters. We're just going to drop the old lifters in, re-oil them, pump them up. I'm going to take the carb off and redo my stuff to the carb. I got some new Allen heads, so it'll make it a little better. Take apart if I want to change the jets again instead of stripping the old ones. But yeah, we're just going to drop the old lifters in, reassemble it, and hopefully that takes care of the noise. Let's hurry up and wait for the lifters. Alright, it's all put back together. Ta-da. Johnny here is confident that it's not going to knock when we start it, so
that's not what I said.
Let's find out. Whatever. Whatever.
I still hear it up here.
Alright, so it's running. It's not as loud as it was. You can kind of still hear it, but I don't I don't know if that was normal like how it was before or not. It was definitely not as loud as the knocking I had after. But I noticed I can hear it like down here. So I don't know, maybe it's not even the front cylinder, but we hear it in the front cylinder too, right? We hear it in the front, so I don't know. I don't know, we're gonna run it. I'm gonna try taking it out for a little ride though. Still making noise. Alright, in the interest of making this not the world's longest video, probably going to skip through so much. We're going to try some rocker lockers just to take that whole problem, whatever, out of the equation. And then, I don't know. We're just going to tear it back down, put that in, see if it does anything. Okay, let's go. Alright, we put the locker rockers in. That was really fast actually. That was, what, 25 minutes? Let's, we got this little guy, so we're gonna pop it in. Oh, because I think it's piston slap.
Let's see. What's that, the piston? There's a wall there.
Looks like the wall going down with the piston. I hope this works, otherwise we're opening it up. Cross hatching, okay, that's good. But anyways, I thought this would be easier to show you. Saw something that looked like a big old chunk taken out of the sidewall. So we're gonna crack it open all the way down to the cylinder again. Take off the heads, which means we have to take off the carburetor and the intake and the exhaust, which I really wanted to avoid, but we gotta know. So anyways, it's 10:18. Let's see how quick we can take it apart. I'm gonna say in under an hour we'll have it. Easy. Let's push for 45 minutes. What do you say? Ah, scratching. Piston slap.
I wouldn't worry about that.
That is scratching, homie. Oh, this one looks worse, dude.
See, this one's got scoring.
Probably have to buy a new pair now.
See that difference?
So we tore it open, like all the way down. This doesn't make me feel good, seeing the scoring, scratching, whatever on the side of this, scuffing. I don't know if that's normal. Unfortunately, I don't know what I'm looking at. So, yeah. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it next.